Hello and welcome back to my studio. Today I'm going to be showing you my painting palette for acrylics and box container that I keep the paints in. You see, I've been getting a lot of questions lately. All the same sort of question is, how do I keep my paint wet on the palette with acrylics? Well, I think you may be getting a few things wrong here. This is my palette. And this is not a stay wet palette, it's a peel off palette. It's made of a special plastic that you can actually just pull some of this and peel the whole thing off to reveal the nice white of the nylon plastic underneath, and paint won't actually stick to it. It does here, but it'll just peel straight off. So when I've got paint on here, I pull paint out of my little boxes or tubes, and I use this to mix the paint on. This is the palette that I mix the paint on. Then it seems to stay wet for quite some time. Maybe even 20 minutes later, I can just add a little bit of water on a brush and go back into it, and it'll still dissolve and move the paint around still. It's still pliable and workable. So that is my palette. Okay, now the other thing is the box that I keep my paints in, and that's this, and it's basically a fishing tackle box. I'll show you. I've got one here that I haven't used. This is a slightly larger one, and they're very cheap. You can get them from craft shops, craft stores, and basically it just looks like that inside. You just fill those with paint from a tube, and this then becomes your tubes of paint, if you will. These are your tubes. You put the paint in and then close the lid and it'll stay wet. Now this one is the one I use at the moment, this size. I've got a smaller one here that I use, well, I used to use for a couple of years ago. Now it has been a couple of years since I've used this, and so the paint is now dry, but there's still plenty of space in there for me to add more paint. So I may use this when I go outside. It's very useful for doing plein air painting. So I'll just hope to do some of that later this year. In the nice summer months, we'll go outside and do some plein air painting. Now, the palette that I'm using at the moment is this size. And basically, I get the paint tubes and I squeeze the paint into these little containers here. Now every time I do that in the morning when I start work, I open the box, I get my little spray and I give it a little spray like that, and that's it. That will stay wet then permanently until the next time I open the box. So when I finish painting for the day, I just close the box, put it to one side, and then the next day when I open it, it's there, ready. It's wet. It stays wet. So, and what, I just give it another spray again first thing in the morning, and that's all that's required. So, when people say, how do you keep your paints wet? That's it. I paint relatively quickly, and this is something I've said in some of my videos. If you can learn or teach yourself to paint more quickly, you'll find acrylic painting becomes a lot easier. And you only get quick at doing this type of thing if you practice, if you just keep doing it. Don't deliberate on little brush strokes here and there. Get big brushes and really have a go at it and be full of expression and impressionism. Now, if you're painting with little brushes, then it's going to dry on your brush quite quickly. But big brushes hold a lot of moisture, and so will keep the paint wet for much longer. And I'm not talking about runny paint, you know, like watercolour. You know, I mean, the paints I put in this are normal sort of heavy body tubes of acrylic, and I just squeeze them into here, ready, so that I don't have to go to a tube every time I want a colour and squeeze it out of onto my palette. That's well, apart from anything else, it will dry up quickly on the palette, whereas it doesn't in here. If you poured a big load of it out onto your palette, I'm on about something this sort of size, a big glob of it, it's going to stay wet for days, just as it is, because of the amount of it. Basically, the amount that's there will keep it moisturized. And it's the same with these little tubs. There's enough paint in here, squeezed in here, that they will stay wet on their own. I just give them a little spray first thing in the morning, just to just aid that, basically, just to help it along. But it doesn't really need it. So anyway, that is the paint container. That is the palette. Think of this as the tubes of paint, and this as the palette. This is where I mix the paint, and this is where the paint is contained. Container, palette. Okay? Well, I hope that's cleared up one or two problems and answered a few of the questions that I've had recently. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you did, and I look forward to seeing you on my next painting video. So until then, have a lovely day and happy painting!